And staying at the Capitol, Governor Pillen has signed the latest state budget package, but vetoed more than $140 million.
He says the line item vetoes are part of an ongoing fight against, quote, excessive government spending. The governor says his reductions would save taxpayers more than $90 million. Here are some of the big items vetoed. $40 million in construction of workforce housing in rural and urban areas. Also, $5 million for a pilot program related to childhood trauma and gun violence.
Also, the governor vetoed $10 million for a study of gun violence in low-income areas in Omaha and $45 million in increases for Medicaid providers. That was funding the Nebraska Hospital Association had been asking for years now.
We have to get back to normal quickly, and we have to be able to run our hospitals more efficiently. More money is not going to solve those problems.
The governor says hospitals got a lot of extra funding through the pandemic and got used to that extra aid. He also said he will not let the state go broke on his watch, which is why he made the vetoes he did. Now, the governor approved the 3% increase in the first year, but vetoed the 2% increase in the second year.
The Hospital Association says not approving these increases will force hospitals to make drastic decisions and will affect the cost of health care to everyday Nebraskans.
The issue comes in that even the 3%, we're going to lose ground. So hospitals' financial margins are going to get worse because our costs are growing faster than the increase. And then without the certainty of the second year, I think hospitals start looking at, well, what can we sustain for services? And that's just going to make the decision-making process tougher for them to say, well, we got to start eliminating some services that we can no longer provide in our rural community.
The Nebraska Hospital Association is speaking with senators to try and rally votes together to override the governor's veto, and they're going to need 30 senators to agree to override any or all of the vetoes.